First, what is inequalities? We have learnt about equation earlier. What is inequalities? Inequalities is nothing but is not an equation but some relationship exists between them. See here, the relationship exists between them. It's unequal. Two quantities are unequal, and a relationship exists between them. Suppose like 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 5. Like this equation here, it does not mean an equation, it is an inequality. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to greater than 5, and these are equations. In this chapter we are going to learn how to make a decision like that. Now here it is, the examples below are limit of supply, demand, and the sales. It deals with inequalities. What is linear inequalities? As we saw, linear equation, the highest degree is 1. X plus 2y is greater than or equal to 15. This type is called linear inequalities. Now, here are some keywords which you have to know about. Here, first one is maximum, at the most, not more than, only up to. Here, at the most, maximum, not more than are the three important things. And here you are going to use lesser than or equal to sign. In the following examples, we will be saying maximum, at the most, and not more than. And here, minimum, at least, and not less than. Maximum, the opposite is minimum, at the most, at least, and here you are going to use greater than or equal to sign. Maximum and at the most, not more than, you are going to use lesser than or equal to, and for these things, minimum, at least, or not less than, you are going to use maximum or greater than or equal to. First is how you are going to graph an inequation. If suppose an inequation is given, how you are going to plot the graph and how you are going to draw the graph according to the inequation. First is whatever the equation is given. Suppose I am telling x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. Now here whatever equation is given, just change the inequality into a equation. So that I am going to change this into equal to here, greater than or equal to, I am changing it into equal to. First step is this. Then you are going to form the table of values of an equation. In earlier classes we have learned how to plot the points in a graph, like taking x and y here 0, 1, 2, 3, and we will be graphing, we will be plotting the points and graphing the equation. Next step is plot the points. Plot the points and we will be joining the line and determine the region in which the given equation is satisfied. If I am drawing a graph and I can shade the region where it is the inequation is satisfied. Now next one is shading the region, as I told. Now one more important thing before drawing, if there is equal to sign, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, the line is included and the line should be thick. The line should be thick like this. And if there is greater than or equal to, now here less than or greater than, the line is excluded and should be dotted. The line should be like this, it should be dotted. Now first one is, I will repeat the steps. First, write down the inequality as an equation. Just write it as an equation, then plot the points in the graph and determine the region in which the given equation is satisfied. Then at last shade the equation. So now here you are going to use two types of lines, that is thick line and a dotted line according to the inequality. Now let me move to the first problem. Draw the graph 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 10. Now as we saw, the first step is write an equation. 2x plus y, which is greater than or equal to, I am writing as 2x plus y is equal to 10. The first step is over. Second step, now I need to form a table of values. You can draw like this, a simple table. Here I will write x and y. Here x I can give some values like 0, 2, 4 like this. Now how can I plot the points for this y using this equation? Just write down this equation as like this: y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Bring this 2x to this side. So 10 minus 2x. Now y is equal to 10 minus x. Now first in this step substitute x is equal to 0 in y, so that I will get this y value now. 10 minus 2 into 0, first one is, which is 10. I got the first one. Second one, for substituting the x value was 2. Y is equal to 10 minus 2 into 2, which will be 10 into 10 minus 4, sorry, which will be 6. 2, 6. Now next point, for x is equal to 4, what is the value for y? So I am changing like this. Here I am changing 4, it will be 2. Understood? Now I got the points 0 comma 10, 2 comma 6, 4 comma 2. Now here in this way I can plot the point in the graph. 0, 10, it will be coming here, 0 and 10. 2 comma 6, 2 and 6, here it will be just an approximation, and 4 comma 2. Okay, now this is enough for plotting the points, and now we can draw a straight line here. Here one more thing, here we have the greater than or equal to sign, so that we can draw thickest line like this. I'm going to draw like this, a straight line, and the next step is, as we plot the points and just we draw the line. Next we have to determine the region where the inequalities lies. Now this line is, equation is 2x plus y is equal to 10. Now this line's equation is this, and what is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 10, and the region goes here. I am shading this along with the line. I am shading. Understood? Along the line. Now this region is called the inequality 2x plus y greater than or equal to 10. Now I repeat, first write the inequality as an equation, just put an equal to sign. Next plot the points as we have learnt in earlier classes. I have taught here also. 0 to some values you put for x and substitute in y, so that you will be getting the points 0 to, and just plot the points in the graph, and next you just draw a straight line and then shade the region. At last you can check the test point also. Somewhere you take here, like here 1 comma 0, and check whether this is substitute in the equation, and if it satisfies, then surely it satisfies, and that is the answer is right. Now in this equation, less than 6. Okay, first step I am going to write this as a equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Second step I am going to table the points x, y, and 0, here I can take 0, 2, 4, the same thing. Now I am writing y is equal to minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Here y is equal to 2x minus 6 divided by 3. Okay, first is 0. Y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 6 by 3 equal to minus 6 by 3, which becomes minus 2. And second one is, I am substituting 2 here, y for 2, and 2 minus 6 divided by 3, which will be 4 minus 6 by 3 here, which will be minus 2 by 3. and it comes in some decimal values. At the third one I am going to plot 4 to y is equal to 4 2 into 4, which is 8 minus 6 by 3. Here it should be 2 by 3, and just move on to the next. Here we can also plot 3. No, just check with 3. Y is equal to 6 minus 6, which will be becoming 0. For 0 it comes out to be minus 2, and next I can cancel this out because it comes in decimal values. Okay, and also these 2 points are more than enough for this plotting. Now the points are 0 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 0. Now plot these points here. 0 comma minus 2, it will be coming around here, and 3 comma 0, which will be here, 3 comma 0, and the other point will be like this. Now we can draw a dotted line, because see, look at the equation, this must be dotted and the line must not be included. Now here, what is now determine the equation? In equation 2x minus 3y is less than 6. Now I got the dotted line value, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6 is less than 6. What is the region for the negative side? Which is here, which is I am shading it like this. The desired region lies here. Now understood as I wrote? Now the graph looks like this.